The Little Seed's Big Dream. A moral story give you a life lesson, so watch till the end. In a quiet corner of a lush garden, there lay a tiny seed buried deep in the soil. It wasn't an extraordinary seed, in fact, it looked like any other. But this little seed carried a big dream in its heart. It wanted to grow into the tallest, most beautiful tree in the garden. Day after day, the seed waited in the darkness of the soil. It could hear the soft whispers of the earth and feel the gentle touch of water trickling through. It often wondered, will I ever make it to the sunlight? Will I ever grow? One day, a tiny root sprouted from the seed, followed by a delicate green shoot. The seedling pushed against the heavy soil above, struggling to break free. It was hard work, and the seedling felt small and weak. "I'm not strong enough," it whispered. But the soil, warm and wise, replied, "Even the tallest trees started just like you. Keep pushing." Encouraged, the little seedling kept trying, and finally, one bright morning, it broke through the surface. For the first time, it saw the golden sun and felt its warmth. The seedling grew day by day. It stretched its leaves toward the sun and drank the water from the rain. But it soon realized that life in the garden wasn't easy. A strong wind blew through the garden one day, bending the seedling almost to the ground. "I'll never survive this storm," it cried. But the wind whispered, "Hold on tight. I'm not here to harm you. I'm here to make you strong." The seedling gripped the soil with its roots, swaying but refusing to break. When the storm passed, it stood taller, its roots deeper and stronger than before. The seasons changed, and the seedling continued to grow. It faced scorching summers, heavy rains, and cold winters. Each season brought its own challenges, but the little tree remembered the words of the soil and the wind. One spring morning, the little tree noticed something extraordinary. Tiny buds had appeared on its branches, and soon they bloomed into the most beautiful flowers the garden had ever seen. Bees buzzed around, and birds perched on its branches, singing joyful songs. The little tree felt proud, but it didn't forget its journey. "I was once a tiny seed," it thought, "and now I'm giving shade, flowers, and a home to so many." One day, a young boy visited the garden. He sat under the tree's shade, looking sad. The tree gently swayed its branches as if to ask, "What's wrong?" The boy sighed, "I'm too small to do anything big. I want to be brave and strong, but I'm just me." Hearing this, the tree spoke softly, "Do you see me now? I wasn't always this tall and strong. I was once a tiny seed, just like you. It took time, patience, and courage to grow. You don't have to be big to dream big. Just start, and keep growing little by little." The boy looked up at the tree with a smile. "Really? Even a big tree like you started small?" The tree's leaves rustled gently, as if laughing. Every great thing starts small. Remember that. From that day on, the boy visited the tree often, sharing his dreams and fears. And as the boy grew stronger and braver, so did the tree, its branches stretching higher into the sky. Moral of the story: big dreams often grow from small beginnings. Patience, persistence, and courage are the keys to becoming something extraordinary.